good afternoon, if this is your afternoon, and good evening or good night, if this is your evening or night. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. We've come to class today to learn and teach each other Igbo language. So wherever you are, this is a great time. Begin to join us now as we learn Igbo language, challenge ourselves to understanding Igbo language, help others to learn in a community setting live through this medium. I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okafor. So wherever you are, I expect you to begin to join now as we begin this class in earnest. Joining early will help you not to miss out much. So it's good you join earlier so you can, benefit maximally from the class. So wherever you are and you are interested in learning Igbo language, maybe you are born by Igbo parents outside Nigeria or outside the southeastern states in Nigeria, you're having problem understanding or speaking the language, you are married to Igbo, engaged to Igbo person, you are having Igbo as business partner or associate, whatever it is, you have Igbo family members or neighbors, and you are interested in speaking Igbo language. This is where to be at this hour. So wherever you are, begin to join this class right now. As you join, you do a few things for us. Hit the like button, drop a greeting for us so we can know you are in the class. That is the way to mark your attendance. Say hello, say dewo, say hi, say dalo. Just write anything you can write. That way, we will recognize your presence in the class and also return our greetings to you. Do that now as the class, takes off. We're going to wait for a few minutes, for others to join us, so we don't actually move far before they join. But the earlier you join, the better for all of us, so we don't delay other people. We have a scheduled time. It's always 2 p.m. Nigerian time. It's always 13:00 GMT. So the earlier you join, the better for all of us. Begin to join now. And let's know you are in the class. If you're already in the class, by dropping a greetings to us, say Ndewo, no, hello, hi, just say something. That way, we will pick your name and also extend our greetings to you. Today is Christmas edition, so you need to really be here so we can learn together in the spirit of Christmas. You can see that from my own dressing. I'm already in the Christmas mood. So join me as we do it together in the Christmas mood. Yes, waiting for you to join up. Waiting for you to join up. Where are my students? Mary, Jessica, the rest of them. Come to class now. Chikezie, McDonald, all right. Adumije, where are you? Where is Nnake and the rest of them? Come to class now. Where Chikezie? I'm expecting you to join this class now. This is the Christmas edition. I don't want anyone to miss it out. So let's come together now and start learning. As you come into the class, do me a favor, drop a greeting. Say hello. Yeah, Chikezie is here. Chikezie, no. Say no, ndewo, hello. Just say something. That way we can pick your name and return our greetings to you. No, Chikezie McDonald. Class captain is on ground to guide the ship today. So I don't think anyone will be missing out anything today. So it's better you join right now. The class captain is already in the class. And I'm sure you're going to discipline anybody that comes late to class. Okay, Danielson Emmanuel. Danielson Emmanuel. Please, if you are joining for the first time, it's good you let us know where you are joining the class from. Are you in Nigeria or outside Nigeria? Please mention the country where you are joining from. Okay, Joy Onyebuchi, Ndewo. Joy, where are you joining from? Danielson, where are you joining from? Please mention your country, your location, where you are joining us from. Nigeria, African countries, UK, Europe, America, Asia, wherever you are. Please let's know where you join us from. That is very important to us. But all the same, we welcome Daddy Elson for the first time. Welcome Joy Onyebuchi for the first time, I guess. If I'm right, that this is your first time, say yes. Okay, as you join the class, few things you do, please hit the like button for this live session. and share this live session out too, so that your contacts can also benefit just as you are doing. It's very important. From Sweden. Okay, Danielson is from Sweden. Great. What about Joy Onyebuchi? Where are you joining us from? Joy Onyebuchi. Let's know where you are joining from. Danielson from Sweden. Chikezie McDonald, I think he's in Nigeria. If I'm still correct, please indicate. I'm sure. I think you are in Nigeria. Chikezie, are you in Nigeria or outside Nigeria? I think you are in Nigeria. But please guide me. Joy Onyebuchi, I'm still waiting for your response. Where are you joining from? Joy. Esim, New York. Ah, that's great. I love your response in Igbo. Esim, New York. That's a great response. I am from New York. Esim, New York. Surely we will have a great class today. I can see it. I can feel it. By the way, this is the Christmas edition of our live Igbo class. You can see from my attire that I'm already in the Christmas mood, and I hope you are too. So let's do this together in the Christmas mood. Yeah, Venice. She can say, okay, Venice. Venice. She can say, where is Venice? I can't remember. Which country is Venice? I'm not very conversant with map again. I did geography long ago in secondary school. Where is Venice, please? I can't remember the country. Venice. Which country? Chikezie. Please guide me. Mary, Dewo. Mary is from UK also. Mary, you are welcome to class. Hit the like button, hit the share button as we move on together. Italy. Oh, Chikezie, you are from Venice, Italy. Great. I was even thinking you are in Nigeria. Wonderful. Great to have you. You've been a very good, support for this channel. You've been instrumental to the success of this live teaching, and God will surely bless you. Yeah, Venice, Italy. Right. Now, the class is beginning right about now. We've done our introduction, and then we cannot wait any further. Right. So we have a conglomerate of countries here: Nigeria, Italy, UK, and then New York, USA, Sweden. We are all here. The whole globe is almost complete here. So let's begin. There's nothing to wait for any longer. This series is dedicated to, daily Igbo, sentences and conversational statements that is all meant to equip you and then guide you more to understand the simple sentences you can make in Igbo language. That is what this session is dedicated to. By the way, today is the 53rd live class we're having in this channel. So if you have not watched the previous ones, it's good you subscribe to our channel, go back to our homepage, and then begin to scroll, go to hit live, and it will display all the previous live sessions. Please take your time to watch them. Today will be the 53rd live session we are having. That's over a year. And as you are watching the live sessions, what you should do is to scroll, go to the comment bar below, and then scroll it by left. If you scroll it by left, you shift it by left, it will now display replay of live chat, replay of live chat. So as you are watching those videos, you will be seeing the live chat coming as I'm talking, the same way you are responding to my questions here, the explanations, the sentences. That is the way the same live chat will be replayed as you are watching the video. So it's important to do that, sure, so that you can be able to, catch up with previous classes. Right, let's continue with today's class. And then we're talking about daily use Igbo sentences and phrases. By the way, how do you see my attire? I hope I'm fine. This is Christmas attire. Does it meet your expectation? Let's go. That's actually for the comic session, right? So those of you who have not hit the like button, please do that as we go on, and hit the share button. The first sentence we are having today is Onye nyere gi onyinye. Christmas time is the time of giving gifts. So I want to start by saying, but this looks more complex. Okay. Isiago for Xmas. Of course, now the red cap is already there. Isiago is also for celebration. What do you think? It's also for party. When you are going for party in Igbo land, will you wear Jesus Christ? You wear Isiago now. Okay? But the cap is already representing the Christmas. Right. Let's go. Then we're talking about, maybe we should take it a little bit lower. Achorom onyinye Christmas. Okay. Okay, add them tight, sir. Okay, achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. I don't want to speak ekeresimesi. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Hi, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, FC Arsenal fan. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you. Now we're talking about achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. I want Christmas gift. That is what I've said in Igbo language. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Some of you don't know how to write Christmas in Igbo language. That's what we're going to do here now. I want Christmas gift. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Can somebody write that in Igbo language? Write it in the chat. The way I said it in Igbo. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Give me a present. Arsenal, just wait with us in the class and participate. At the end of the class, you are going to get a gift. Don't worry about that, Arsenal fan. Okay? Joy Odebuchi. Okay? Joy has written, Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. My God. Joy combined English with Igbo in her Christmas. Please write Christmas in Igbo. The Igbo version is ekeresimesi. I'm waiting for who will write it properly. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. That's where I'm driving at. Write that. Ekeresimesi. That's how we write Christmas in Igbo language. Ekeresimesi. Who is writing it for me? Achọrọ m onyinye. Mary has written, Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Mary has tried, but not. I have written, oh, where is Chikezie? Okay, sorry, Chikezie. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Wow, Chikezie got it right. That's perfect. Yeah, Chikezie, you are right. Please look at Chikezie chat. Chikezie McDonald. That is the correct sentence. Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Look at Chikezie's spelling of ekeresimesi. That's the right spelling. And that's how we spell Christmas in Igbo language. Christmas, ekeresimesi. Please take note of that and update your record. Joy, let me see what you wrote again. Joy has done some correction, I think. You wrote, Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. That's perfect. That's perfect. Joy, you have done well. Ndewo Nnake, welcome to class. You are coming late somehow. Let's move, okay? Now, next question to you. Since you say you want Christmas gift, I have to ask you a question. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Okay? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? You write it first before we say the meaning. I don't want to say the meaning in advance. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? We are still talking about gifts, mind you. You say you want Christmas gifts. We have said that in Igbo language. I now ask you a question. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? That is a question from me to you. But let's write it the way I said it before we interpret the meaning. Okay? Clement Emehe, Ndewo, welcome to class. Let's go there. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Let's write it the way I said it in Igbo language. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Let's write it the way I said it. Okay, Joy has written, Gịnị ka chọrọ onyinye? You tried. I said, Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Mind my words. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Mark my words. Chikezie has written, Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Whoa, Chikezie has won it. Chikezie has won it. Gịnị ka? Oh, Clement has come in also. Oh, not even Chikezie. Who wrote it first? Okay. Nnake has written Achọrọ m onyinye ekeresimesi. Okay. Joy, not even Chikezie. It was Clement Nnake family that wrote the correct sentence. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye, but not very perfect. You don't separate your dịka. It's one word. Put it together. Clement wrote, Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Perfect, Clement. You got it perfectly well. Okay? So, Nnake, join your dịka together. That is only your error. Okay? That is, Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Good, but you are chọrọ. Your Igbo alphabets are not okay, Danielson. I guess you don't have the Igbo keyboard in your phone or computer. You can install it easily. Go to setting language, go to keyboard, select Kwati Igbo, and install it in your phone or computer. Then, if you are using computer, you have to be using Alt-Gra to be able to move to the alphabet. But if it's a phone you are using, you can simply hit the long bar, hold it down, it will display Igbo or English alphabet. Or hit the alphabet, hold it down, it will show you the one with dot under, the one with dot on top. You can choose whichever one you want if you are using phone. That is easy to do. You don't need to buy keyboard. The same keyboard in your phone can be converted to Igbo. You have the alternation between Igbo and English in your keyboard. That's fine. So you can have I with dot under, U with dot under, N with dot on top, whatever you want, you can get right on your phone there. Okay? Joy Onyebuchi wrote, Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Perfectly written. Good one. Good one. Let's go. The question I ask here is, what do you want as gift? That is the sentence. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ? What do you want? Dịka onyinye, as gift. That is the question. Is a question. Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? What do you want as gift? So, what is your answer? FC Barcelona say you need gifts. I've asked you the question. Ooh, Sherry Mango. So if you long time you have not joined class. Glad to see you in class today. Shoibi, my baby. Wow, this is great. This Christmas edition is really hot. So Shoibi, you are welcome to class. Long time I didn't see you in class. Good to have you today. So here you are, Shoibi. Now we're talking about what you want as Christmas gifts. Now give me your response now. Who will answer it? Give me your own answer, but it must be in Igbo language. What do you want as Christmas gift? As gift? Gịnị ka ị chọrọ dịka onyinye? Reply in Igbo language. No